how to generate leads and calls at the same time. What's up, everybody? Welcome to this video. And today I'm here again, guys, to help you or to give you a tutorial about how you can generate leads and calls at the same time. So I'm telling you that you can generate leads and calls at the same time. You are going to earn money per lead and the calls that you are going to generate at the same time. So I'm going to show you how to create a campaign where you can generate leads and calls at the same time. So, but before we start, make sure you subscribe, you hit a like. If you have any doubt, don't be shy, write down below in the comment. Let's go. Let's click on create. Okay, so we're going to create an ad. We're going to create a campaign of leads. Okay, just click leads and continue. I'm not going to give a name to this campaign. Let's go. Okay, we are already here. New leads campaign, as you can see. No A/B test, no advantage campaign budget. We can click on next. No special category. We're going to run something about Medicare, Obamacare, so no problem. We're going to generate leads of Medicare, Obamacare, and calls at the same time. Okay, just click next. Okay. Whoa, you can get leads through Instagram to reach people on Instagram and get leads through chat. Select Instagram as, let's focus on Facebook. Okay, I actually recommend you to focus on Facebook. And here we are, we have website, instant form, messenger, instant forms and messenger. So this instant form and messenger is a merge of these two. Okay, we have Instagram, calls, apps. We are going to generate leads and calls if you go to instant forms, only instant forms. We are going to click here on instant forms. The performance goal, we want to maximize number of leads, or we want to maximize the number of conversion leads. Basically, as you know, we only get paid for converted lead, so we must try to maximize the number of converted leads. I don't know if you feel me, but we don't only want the numbers. We don't want to get many leads and those leads they won't convert. Okay, we want those leads that are going to convert, so we are going to maximize the number of leads, of converted leads. Okay, on the page we can let this page. Okay, you have accepted meta lead. Okay, we are not going to set up an CRM integration. Okay, so this basically deliver your ad to people who most like to convert the optimization, and at the same time we can use the CRM integration to send our leads to the server. Okay, so we are going to post, okay, we call it post. We're going to post our leads to the server. Okay, for example, we are sending leads for market call. We're going to post those leads to the server of market call. Okay, but I told you that I'm going to create a video about this. This video you're going to find in my course. I'm already doing the course about pay-per-call affiliate marketing and lead generation on pay-per-call, and I'm going to explain you all these things there in my course. Okay, we can set the daily budget. We can put here 10, no problem. Start date, we can, if you want, we can set an end date, but I won't. Normally the leads, you can send leads 24/7, so no problem about the delivery time. No problem. I'm going to change here the location. I'm going to put, for example, they accept leads nationwide. I'm going to put United States. United States. over 65. The languages, normally we can leave it. If you want, we can put English of US. manual placements. Okay, I think we don't need to change it. Let's get it on next. Okay, so right now we have to add our form. Okay, so we are going to look on your requirements for each lead. Okay, which fields that they ask you to generate. Okay, I'm going to click here on create form. For example, on some leads they ask you about the name, about the full name or first name, last name, the contact, the email, the zip code, the state, and if those people have some problems with health and more. So just take a look on your form on the fields that they ask for and put in your form. Okay, let's change the name. We can put here Medicare. Form type, we have three types here: more volume, we have high intent, and rich creative. Okay, we are going to use more volume. Okay, use a form that's quick to fill. We don't want to let the user get bored. Okay, we are going to create something simple that is user friendly. Okay, we're not going to put many info there because normally the user, when they are filling out the form, they used to get tired easily, so we don't want that. We are going to do something simple as possible. So we're going to let it on more volume. You can upload an image. Okay, let me try to find an image right here. Pictures. I can put this image of solar. I know that I don't want to generate solar, I just want to put some image just to illustrate you something. Okay, headline, we can put here, get your Medicare plan today. Okay, if you want, you can add more info right here. Okay, as you want. And let's go to the questions. As you know, we can, let's put the name at the first field, on the first field. Just look at, as I said, just look which fields are required for your lead. We can put the phone number, we can put the street address, we can put also the state. Here you can put any category that you want. Okay, user information, we have already full name, first name, and last name. Because we have full name, you don't even need to put last name or even the first name, because you already have here the full name. Work information, if you want, job title, work email, company name. We have national ID number, so you can add anything you want right here. So let's click on privacy policy. Okay, so here you are going to add the link of your privacy policy. Okay, and then you're going to put the link test. Okay, custom disclaimer, you can add a custom disclaimer right here, and message for the lead. Okay, so there is the point, guys. There is the point. The gold mine is here. Thanks, you are all set. Okay, the call to action button that we're going to put after the user added after the user submitted the lead. Okay, we have here the button is view website. We don't want this. We want to call, well, we must put call business. So here we're going to put our affiliate number, that number that they give you, you're going to put right here. Okay, this is US. I'm going to put a random number. Sorry. sorry, required. Is this correct? Let me count this. I think that is correct. Call to action, you can say call us now. Here we can put, you must put something that will make the user understand that he's not set yet. Okay, so you can put 9% set, and here you can put if you want to get a quick response. Sorry for my English, for my poor English. Okay, just try to improve, there. If you want to get a quick response, please make sure you call to manager, blah 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 blah. So this is just an example of what you can do to generate lead and call at the same time. So imagine if the user submit the lead is accepted, and then he decides to call to get a quick response. So then you are going to earn twice in one click. Okay, I don't know if you feel me, guys, but this is a gold mine trick that I'm giving you. You generate a lead, you generate a call at the same time. The user submit the lead, the lead is accepted, you get your bucks, and then he decide to call. Don't forget to write here about the user, and tell the user that he must remain in the call, and at least and then in the seconds that is that are required for the conversion of the call. So guys, thank you for watching until now. If you have any doubt, don't be shy, write down below in the comment. I'm gonna try to help you. Okay, write down below in the comment, leave a like, subscribe, don't forget, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.